I think what we're seeing here is, you know, we talked about this last time Best Buy reported, the pricing for perfection, I need to work on that phrase, is just permeating throughout retail right now. These companies are doing exactly what they have to do. They're investing and they're spending money. And you're going to have to absorb some short-term pain for a long-term gain. We've seen what Walmart's been able to do. Best Buy is another company that's done that, where you're making investments. You know, Target, same thing. The shareholders have to recognize that nothing is free and nothing happens at the flip of a switch. And I think that that's the part. That's a big part of the problem.
Let's take Best Buy to the side right now, because I think that's one company's earnings, and I think there's some idiosyncratic issues there. And not in a bad way, by the way. But I'm separating them out from a Target. I'm separating them out from a Kohl's. And I'm trying to understand whether this portends something much larger about the kind of sales numbers we're going to be hearing, whether it comes to Black Friday, whether it comes to Cyber Monday, whether it comes to Christmas.
Okay, let's differentiate sales from earnings. Because, you know, as you guys well know, during the holiday, there's lots of promotions. We focus on earnings. And so we're always late with our assessment of holiday performance because everybody trumpets sales and we're waiting to see what goes in the bank, not what went out the door. I think what we're going to see this holiday is a good season. The question becomes, what's the promotional environment going to be like? We know Amazon and Walmart are going to promote like crazy because they're still fighting this battle for market share. What are the ripple effects going to be? Target is on the right track. When you look at where the growth is, these private brands, they take time to kind of germinate. You got to plant the seeds and let them grow. But that's a really good strategy. It's going to differentiate Target from Walmart and Amazon and everyone else. But it takes time. And I think this holiday, we're looking at 5 to 6% sales growth. And that's unusual for us to focus on sales. But we think a fair amount of that's going to trickle down to the bottom line. We changed our outlook recently to positive on the retail sector on the whole, driven by efficiencies and return on investment. Would you buy up all
these stocks by the fistful? And would you buy Kohl's?
I can't buy stocks.
I know, but in this environment, given what's going on, is this all of a sudden a buying opportunity?
I think a lot of these companies are getting beat up unfairly, and I think a lot of these companies are undervalued when you look at where they're going and what they're doing.
Just to differentiate the group, is there anyone there that you wouldn't buy?
I would view favorably all 4 of the companies on that chart over the medium to long term, with the caveat that you're going to have to absorb some short-term pain from time to time. We've got a new CEO at Lowe's. There are going to be things that he's going to want to put in place. We've got Target in the midst of a strategy repositioning. Best Buy, Kohl's, same thing.
We're going to hear Gap this afternoon. You got a thought?
Okay, I got stuck in traffic for 2 hours coming in here. I haven't thought about.
We'll let you off the hook there.
Thank you, Andrew. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
And thanks for making it through the tunnel.
Thanks for waiting for me.